Imagine a place where the sun shines over 300 days a year, where the Mediterranean Sea sparkles and the streets echo with the roar of Formula One cars. Welcome to Monaco, a small yet mighty gem on the French Riviera. Nestled between mountains and the sea, this luxurious city-state is a playground for the rich and famous. The perfect blend of glamour, history, and natural beauty, Monaco offers a unique blend of experiences. Are you ready to explore the top 5 thrilling activities this glamorous city-state has to offer? Let's dive right in. Welcome back to the Travel Tour and Dine channel. Today, we have an exhilarating journey for you. Kicking off at number 5, we present to you the adrenaline-pumping Monaco Grand Prix. This historic motor race, held annually on Circuit de Monaco, sets the city on fire with exhilaration. The circuit's tight corners and steep inclines make it one of the most challenging tracks in Formula One. The deafening roar of the engines, the wave of spectators, and the sheer thrill of speed, it's truly a spectacle to witness. So fasten your seatbelts and experience the rush of Formula One racing at the Monaco Grand Prix. At number 4, we invite you to try your luck at the world-renowned Monte Carlo Casino. This architectural marvel steeped in history offers a wide range of games, from the classic roulette to the modern slot machines. Each room in the casino tells a tale of Monaco's opulence, with its ornate interiors and grand chandeliers. Dive into this playground of the rich and famous for a taste of the high life. Whether you're a high roller or just in for the experience, the Monte Carlo Casino is a must-visit. Coming in at number 3, we have Monaco's exquisite dining scene. A culinary hotspot, this city offers a delightful fusion of high-end restaurants and charming local eateries. Fancy a gastronomic adventure? Then you must indulge in the irresistible Mediterranean cuisine here. The local dishes, influenced by Italian and French flavors, promise a culinary journey unlike any other. Whether you're savoring a bite at a Michelin-starred restaurant or enjoying a cozy meal at a quaint cafe, Monaco's dining scene is sure to delight your palate. At number 2, we recommend experiencing the city from a different perspective. Aboard a luxury yacht. Imagine gliding over the serene Mediterranean, the sun casting a golden glow on the azure waters. Indulge in the grandeur of a luxurious yacht, where every detail exudes elegance. It's a splendid way to unwind, with the stunning panorama of Monaco's coastline unfolding before your eyes. Sip on a glass of chilled champagne, and just let the world drift by. So set sail and soak in the dazzling views of Monaco from the azure waters of the Mediterranean. And finally, the ultimate Monaco experience at number 1 is exploring the Prince's Palace. This architectural marvel dates back to the 13th century and has been the stronghold of the Grimaldi family ever since. Steeped in history and grandeur, the palace offers an intimate glimpse into the regal life of Monaco's ruling family. With its opulent halls and breathtaking sea views, it's a must-visit for anyone who enjoys a touch of royal splendor. From its grand halls to its stunning views, the Prince's Palace is the crown jewel of Monaco. And there you have it, the top 5 thrilling activities in Monaco. From the adrenaline rush of the Grand Prix to the glamour of the Monte Carlo Casino and the exquisite dining experiences, Monaco truly offers unique adventures. We hope you enjoyed this journey through Monaco. If you did, smash that like button, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel adventures. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, safe travels.